Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Toyota Prius Hybrid maintenance light reset. We are going to use these button over here, the middle button for enter, and we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. And every time you see this screen, go ahead and click back. And now go ahead and use your left and right to find your page, which is here, vehicle setting. And when you get here, go ahead and scroll down. Let me get closer until you find vehicle setting. Go ahead and click on that, enter on that, and enter on maintenance system. Scroll down to oil maintenance, click on that, scroll up, enter on that, and that's how we do it. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.